to Piggy Power, and this is a review of what's inside this box. A company called DYU sent me this box and said, could you review it? I'm hoping, it's heavy, it's a big box, and as they saw my channel and said, you're perfect for this, this one of those little motorbikes, that would be perfect. Or a massive tool chest or something, because those things I'm interested in. So let's find out. Alright, we've unpacked it, we've put it together. Let's give you just the first impressions. I've literally cycled like 40 metres. Impressions, straight out the box, it seems really good quality. It says alloy magnesium or something. I don't know. It's about 22 kilos, so it's pretty heavy. It's a third of my body weight. As bikes go, it's heavy, but it's got a big battery, you know what I mean? Well, yeah, I'll test it on my old mountain bike, but it's heavier than a normal bike, but it has a big battery, has a motor. Impressed with quality of the build, definitely. Impressed that it's got disc brakes front and back. They're just cable, which is ideal for low maintenance. Impressed that it's got Shimano gears. Is it Shimano? Shimano. Not impressed with the instruction manual. No instructions of how to put it together other than the front wheel and the pedals, and how to fold it. In my opinion, for this quality of bike and the price of the bike, I think it should come ready built, minus the pedals because they're always like pointing out, folded in half in a box, so you can pull it out of the box, unfold it, put the pedals on, and away you go. That would make sense. There's no mention about the throttle, which is here, where to put that. I've put it there. The mud guards were an absolute faff. I think they've been designed before the disc brakes were designed because they get in the way. I had to make a little bit of a change and modification. Real faffy things to fit. I like them. Overall, I love it. I actually like the way it looks. And once I worked out how to turn it on, which I'll show you in a minute, or maybe not show you, it really goes. I thought it was just pedal assist, but it's on the throttle, basically. It does pedal assist, and you can just keep your feet up and it goes. So I'm quite excited to test this. We're going to answer some important questions for you in a moment. It comes with a front light which is built in, so when you're cycling, the light runs off the battery. But the rear light, it's nice they've sent you one, but it's just like a rubber clip-on one that you could buy in a pound shop. Why not just fit a light like you've got a front one? That's a real negative for me. What was another thing? I like the bell. There was one other thing, design-wise. Yeah, lights, that's pretty much the only thing. It should come folded, it should come with that. I like this, got a kickstand, that's cool. Got a nice protection for the gear in there. And yeah, oh, I like that it also has a bit of suspension here. It's probably a very cheap one, but it has a bit of suspension there. So now to clear up this mess. Oh, I also liked that the tools were actually of decent quality. It wasn't those like thin little spanners that you often get sent. I don't know why I got a screwdriver, I haven't had to use that. But look at them. Pretty decent, like actual spanners that I'm going to put in my box, probably to cut in half and weld to make a tool, but they're not like those thin nasty ones. So, bit tricky to put together, needs a manual that's better for putting it together, or comes folded. It also, I think, should have a built-in rear light, has a built-in front light. The rear mud guide design needs a think over, and it comes with keys. I think these keys are for removing the battery. I haven't worked that bit out yet. I can't just pull the battery out, I have to put a key in somewhere. I don't know, but it comes with two as well, which is nice. Right, let's get on with the exciting stuff. Let's go and try it. I don't live in an urban area, so this is going to get tested in the countryside. The DYU Smart Electric Bike T1. Let's ask some questions, shall we? How heavy is it? Yes. How fast can it go? It seems I'm slower than a V8 Audi. A bit disappointed by that. So with my thumb pushing as hard as I can on the throttle, come on baby, 15, 15. Still 15. If I tuck in a bit. Nah, I think it's limited to 15 miles an hour. So, there you go. Has it got a removable battery with a lock and a key? Key. Actually, you get 2 keys, which is nice when you lose one. Who's in there? And turn and turn and turn. There you go. That easy. Little slot. Charge her up. And then just back in again. So you can't get her out. So key in, that was easy, wasn't it? There you go. What are some of its features? Oh, gravel. Yeah, I didn't die. 19 I just saw then. Whoa. I just did 19 miles an hour. My face was nearly ripped off of my skull. Hang on, let's quickly try and get the specs out before we go off-road. 10 amp hour battery, 36 volts, charging voltage at 24, 5 to 6 hours charging time, 250 watts, rated speed of 260 revs per minute. It's got a headlight, yes. Got a rear light, no. It's got a cruise, no. Speed sensor, yes. Adjustable seat height, yes. Front and rear mechanical discs, yes. Can you do jumps? Would it do a donut? Donuts. Will it do a burnout? Of course it will. How good are its brakes? Yeah, I totally wasn't the third time. Has it got a pedestrian alert awareness system built in? How far can it go? Right, at this stage, I'm just nearly home now. Been moving for 20 minutes or so. Average speed 5, average speed moving 8.79. Max speed nearly 17 miles an hour. Done nearly 3 miles. So I would say if you're going to use that, I've abused it through the woods, up and down hills. Let's say 10 miles, I would say, on the road. Easily at just basically full assist all the time without pedalling. I've barely pedalled, to be honest, just to get moving sometimes out the mud. Cool. Will it fit in the boot of a car? Try folding it up, moron. Oh. What about a bigger car? Like a big Mini? The bigger Mini. The Mini. The Binny. Here we go. Here we go. Steady. Steady. Yes. What about like a normal car for normal people? Yes. Can it go off-road? Not a home here. on, you got it. Then we have to clear out some of this mud. Oh. I think the mud flaps are causing us issues. Okay, that's cleared that out. Oh yeah, the front wheel. Okay, so if you're going to go off-road on this, I'd highly recommend that you get different mud flaps. So that's a negative. It's a positive because it's a feature on this bike. It's 3 mud flaps. But on the negative side, it really prevents you from off-roading. They didn't think of that, did they? Yeah! Oh yeah, like a pro. Come on, baby.